Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, we'll explore a fascinating topic: predicting customer churn using logistic regression. This case study is a crucial area for businesses looking to improve customer retention. Let's dive into the slides and learn more. To begin, let's go over the outline of this presentation. We'll start by exploring key features that affect customer churn. Then move on to understanding logistic regression as a tool for prediction. Next, we'll analyze single and multiple feature models. And finally, discuss practical applications that businesses can implement to retain customers. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how these methods work. Customer churn refers to the loss of customers over time. For example, a dissatisfied internet service user might switch providers. Industries like banking, telecom, and subscription services focus heavily on reducing churn to retain revenue, as keeping customers is far more cost-effective than acquiring new ones. Logistic regression is the method we use to predict binary outcomes like churn or no churn. Unlike linear regression, it outputs probabilities, allowing us to estimate the likelihood of an event. For example, it can predict the probability of a customer closing their account based on specific features. Certain features heavily influence churn. Age is one, as older customers may have higher churn rates. Account balance is another. Customers with lower balances are more likely to leave. Credit scores play a role too, as they reflect financial stability. Finally, the number of products a customer has with a company impacts churn. Fewer products often mean a higher likelihood of leaving. Single-feature logistic regression focuses on one input variable. For instance, a model might use age to predict churn. The Python code demonstrates how to train and use such a model with scikit-learn. This is a straightforward approach to understanding how one feature impacts customer retention. We can make predictions more accurate by adding multiple features to our logistic regression model. For example, combining age and account balance provides deeper insights. The code here shows how to train a model with multiple inputs and use it for predictions. This approach captures more nuances in customer behavior. Practical applications of these models are vast. Businesses can implement early warning systems to identify at-risk customers before they leave. Personalized retention strategies based on feature analysis can address specific customer needs. Enhanced resource allocation for customer support and outreach ensures timely interventions where they matter most. To summarize, customer churn significantly impacts business revenue, making it a critical area to address. Logistic regression predicts churn probabilities using key features, and both single and multiple feature models provide valuable insights for crafting effective retention strategies. These techniques allow businesses to act proactively, reducing churn and maintaining customer loyalty. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.